customer desired a residence where they could supervise their 2 offspring without the necessity of being physically present in the same vicinity. The architectural style of Loos's Raumplan emerged as a potential solution. Furthermore, we explored methods to amplify the concept of a garden within a constrained semi-detached plot, where the majority of the land is already occupied by the building structure. The Scenic Terrain, a vertical wall adorned with plant life nestled within a recess along the front perimeter wall, coupled with foliage atop the car-porch roof, revitalizes surfaces typically overlooked as potential canvases for embellishment. The Botanical Divider, encompassing a segment of the building facade on the upper level, is a botanical barrier we engineered to function akin to a curtain wall. Its principal purpose is to serve as a privacy partition while also providing protection against precipitation. This straightforward mechanism resembles an exposed framework, shaped reminiscently of a shuttered louvre. The shelving units for the flora are sized to accommodate petite potted plants, readily replaceable from any horticultural outlet to ensure maintenance simplicity. A singular pipeline situated on the uppermost shelf irrigates the foliage, with excess water cascading down to nourish the plants on the lower tiers. The inclined canopy, the sloping rooftop terrace, is an adaptation of the stepped section of the dwelling, maintaining a seamless extension from the interior space. Within the sunken section of the platform, a designated area for alfresco dining and barbecuing is established, where the mosaic-clad surface serves multifunctionally as a tabletop, barbecue pit, and seating. There was a sentimentality attached to the notion of ascending to the rooftop itself. The undulating profile of the sloping roof's cape evokes imagery of a rolling terrain. We envisage the inclining surface as more conducive to reclining or conversing while gazing outward in unison, sharing a collective moment akin to that experienced in a verdant park.